Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and tap on wallpaper and personalization. As you can see, after tapping on it, on the right section we'll have three different kind of albums or sections. So let's simply tap on the wallpaper in the middle. And here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. We've got also local pictures, so you can be transferred to your own files, own photos, and set them as a wallpaper. In order to check the preview of the wallpaper you'd like to set, simply tap on it. And as you can see, we've got it on the full screen. If you like this effect, simply tap on apply, and then we can decide where you want to set it. So the screen lock, desktop, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.